Hello, and welcome to TekBoost TV. I'm Jaime, and today I'm going to show you how to install a RAID controller into the Dell Poweredge R630 Server. Before beginning, we recommend checking with the manufacturer and ensuring the latest firmware is installed. For this installation, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Please check out the quick spec link in the description below to learn more about PERC compatibility for the Dell R630. Please make sure to check with the system manual and comply with any recommended safety instructions. First, ensure the server is properly powered down and that the power cord is unplugged. Next, press and hold the power button until the light is completely shut off to ensure there is no residual power remaining on the motherboard. To open the system, lift the top latch, slide the panel back and then up to remove it. Also remove the black cooling shroud. Install the PERC controller by firmly inserting it into the slot and leaving it there for now. Next, install the cable assembly by plugging each respective plug into the corresponding slot, A to A and B to B. Now wind the cable through the side and back to the PERC controller. Set the interfaces together and screw down the cable to the controller. The installation is now complete. To finish, replace the black cooling shroud and slide the outer panel back on, engaging the latch as you do. Please check out our how-to videos covering processor, memory, hard drive, and other component installation for this and other systems. If you have found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. We welcome suggestions on how to make these more useful, so please don't be shy with requesting additional content.